This is the morning weather update. This is for Monday, the 6th of November. I'm James Spann. Alabama's long dry spell rolls along today. However, we are expecting some rain before the week is over. So let's talk about things this morning. Here's the big picture. This is the upper air look. There's a large upper high that's over the Gulf of Mexico that extends into the southern United States. And that will keep us warm and dry for the next few days. Obviously, nothing happening on radar this morning. Starting off the day mostly in the 40s, although a couple of the colder spots are in the 30s. For example, Aniana and Gadsden. But mostly 40s. We note Mobile at 53. Highs today well up in the 70s. Some spots may be touching 80. On the watch warning map, a very calm November day. And we're getting into the time of the year where things can be very active. But again, for now, things are quiet. Here's the severe weather outlook for the rest of today and tonight. Got a chance of some thunder around the Great Lakes and up in the northwest. Tomorrow, not a single thunderstorm expected across the country. And on day 3, which is Wednesday, maybe some thunder for Michigan and some of the adjacent states, but again, severe storms are not expected. Here's the rain for the next 7 days, valid through Monday morning of next week. And looky here, for a change, we got some rain on the board for us. Now, this is not a drought buster, but hey, come on now, we'll take this. This is suggesting rain amounts about 1/2 inch for much of the state, and this will be mainly Thursday night and Friday. There might be a shower at some point this weekend, but again, the bulk of this will be right there at the end of this week. And again, if you missed it, this is the latest drought monitor. This product is released once a week, every Thursday morning. And you can see we have parts of the state with an extreme drought, the Tennessee Valley and also parts of southwest Alabama. A severe drought affecting places like Tuscaloosa, Birmingham, and Gadsden. So, hey, we'll take that 1/2 inch. In the tropics, quiet as a mouse. The hurricane season will be ending at the end of this month. Model fans, here we go. This is the GFS. This is the 06Z run, valid today at 4. Again, a flat ridge, warm and dry today. Highs mid to upper 70s in most spots. Tomorrow, mostly sunny with a high close to 80. Same thing on Wednesday. And then Thursday, rain begins to break out to the west with that wave coming in. And again, the day Thursday should be dry, but we could see some rain beginning as early as Thursday night. And then Friday, rain at times. No severe storms, nothing too heavy. And again, as you saw, we're expecting rain amounts of about 1/2 inch. But certainly that is a welcome sight for all of us, really. But that also means a chance of some rain for the high school football playoff games Friday night, so keep that in mind. So what about the weekend? This is Saturday, and this is suggesting the wave should be on by the surface front in association with that near the Gulf Coast. There might be a few showers near the coast, but probably not many. And the weather turns noticeably cooler, highs dropping in the 60s on Saturday. And there could be some lingering clouds with a little overrunning. And again, Sunday, the GFS depicting the concept of maybe a few isolated showers for the southern half of the state. But again, it won't be anything meaningful that happens, most likely. And again, high Sunday should be in the 60s. And this is a week from today, Monday, the 13th of November. Got a big ridge developing over the western two-thirds of the country, a trough just off the Atlantic coast. And if that's right, it would be sunny and cool with lows in the 40s and highs in the 60s. So let's go out 10 days. This is Wednesday of next week, November the 15th. And again, it's a zonal flow here with a ridge off to the west, and that would be dry. But this is good. Look at this now. This is coming off the European. And again, when you get out there really beyond 7 to 10 days, you're just looking for a signal. You don't know specifics, but the clear signal here is that the pattern will be more active and rain chances will be going up. The mean, this is the highest mean we've seen in a couple of months here. The green line, the mean between now and the 21st of November is between 2 and 3 inches of rain. And that will certainly be a beneficial setup there. And some of the members, of course, are outliers. They're up there in the 4, 5, 6 inch range. But you look at the mean between 2 and 3 inches for the next 15 days, and we'll take that. Temperatures pretty warm for the next couple of days. We'll be up there close to 80 tomorrow and Wednesday, and then the numbers come way down for the weekend with highs back in the 60s and lows in the 40s. And at the moment, no evidence of any freeze for the next 10 days. In fact, this is the latest 8 to 14-day guidance. This is for November 13th through the 19th. And a lot of red here. Now, understand, a red on that map in November is not like red in August. Temperatures above average here could be 67, 68 degrees. But it looks like during that stretch, temperatures could be a little above average here. But yes, we need the rain. This is one of the many fires seen yesterday across the state. This was that big fire along Interstate 65 up around Buc-ee's in Athens in Limestone County, north of the Tennessee River. And that had traffic down to a crawl for a while. It was one of many, many examples here. And I got a drone shot here. This is coming from Lake Purdy. Now, the lake is down, but nothing like the drought of 2016. And for those that don't know, this is one of the sources for the Birmingham Water Works that supplies water for the Birmingham Metro. That's looking back over toward Grants Mill Road. And again, the lake is clearly down. We all know that. But again, nothing like the conditions we saw there in 2016. And our falls are not falling. Wow, that's Nakalula Falls at Gadsden. And you really, really have to look hard. There's about 8 little drops, just a trickle coming over. And this is Little River Falls up in northeast Alabama. And there's a little water there, but just not much. So rain is very much needed here. We all know that. So let's check the schedule this week. Headed to Childersburg, Seaburg. Today, got Childersburg High School this morning. And then I will be speaking to the students at Haleyville Middle School up in Winston County after that. Tomorrow, Montevallo Elementary School, home of the Bulldogs. Then I'll be seeing the senior adults at Oak Mountain Presbyterian Church for lunch. Wednesday, going to Hoax Bluff Elementary School up in Etowah County. Then Wednesday evening, I'll be speaking at Indian Springs Baptist Church between our 6 and 10 o'clock news. Thursday, Sacred Heart School in Cullman. And then it looks like Friday's Veterans Day. And I do believe we have a book signing this Saturday, but I don't have the details. As soon as we get that from the publisher, we'll let you know. Don't forget Weather Brains, our weekly show for weather geeks, dweebs, nerds, dorks, and weenies. That's tonight at 7 Central. You can watch it live on the Weather Brains YouTube channel, youtube.com/weatherbrains. Most people listen to the audio podcast. That'll be released early tomorrow morning. And, of course, we invite you to watch us on television this evening, ABC 3340 News at 4, 5, 6, and 10 o'clock. Thanks for watching. Have a great Monday, and God bless.